No, mister! I am not gonna do that!
Come on, Sue.
I said no!
Pretty, please. Please!
Sammy, I'm not gonna slide down the hill on a TV cardboard box.
We could take a pizza box then?
How don't you get it? I don't want to do that at all!
Oh. But Susie, I really want to slide down the hill. Don't be so spiteful.
First of all, it's not safe. Besides, winter is the best season to do that anyway.
Boring.
Who's boring? I'm boring? Well, okay. You want to go down the hill? You'll get it.
Yippee!
And bring more cardboard with you.
So we're going to the craft table? That's even better!
Hello, guys. Today, I'm going to prove that Sam is outrageously mistaken when he says that I am boring. Together with you, we'll make the coolest ever mountain track for these Hot Wheel little cars.
Oh, Susie, don't be mad at me. Look, I brought you the biggest piece of cardboard I could find. Please let me help you with this craft.
Okay, I'll think about that. Guys, we'll start with the mountains and hills. Let's outline all the edges and tunnels that our cars will drive through. This way. Terrific! Now we need to cut the cardboard according to these lines.
Guys, you should always be careful with the cutter. You may even want to ask an adult to help. I always let Susan do this kind of work. You know Sue is so careful and attentive and very caring.
And boring.
Come on, Susie, forgive me.
I already did, Sammy. I'm just messing with you. Why don't you tell our viewers something interesting while I'm busy with this?
With great pleasure. The road that goes along the mountains is called Serpentine. It is usually quite dangerous to drive along it. One of the most famous serpentines is located in the Montenegro. The most challenging part of it is a short of 8.5 kilometers, which is 16 hairpin turns!
Oh, I wouldn't take that road at night. Well, our mountain track won't be that long, but there still will be a few turns. Let's make some tunnels here and there. Hup, there. Okay. Guys, we're done with the cutter for now, and this is what we've got.
Sue, don't you think that a mountain road should be, I don't know, like picturesque or something?
Oh, you're right, Sammy, and we'll deal with this right now. Whoosh! Ta-da!
Guys, I really like Susie's craft magic. Do you like it too? If yes, then quick, give us a thumbs up.
Let's start with the blue sky. And now let's draw mountains. There we go! And don't forget to add some greenery! There. Now let's draw clouds in the sky. And beautiful snowy peaks. Perfect! So, Sammy, what do you say? Am I doing it all right? Sammy?
This scene reminds me of the mountains of Tibidaba and all of my friends I met there.
Sammy, come on! This is not the time to relax. We still have a lot to do with this craft.
Oh, you're right, Sue. Just let me put my deck chair away. You did great, by the way!
What a high appreciation! Guys, now we need to glue our wonderful scene to another very big piece of cardboard. Be careful with the glue gun. And done! Check out the result of our work! Now, let's add 2 sidewalls to make the whole construction steady. Be very careful. You'd better ask an adult to help you with this stage. Guys, the glue gun is very hot, remember. All right, here comes the first wall. And another one. Great!
Attention, attention! Some road construction is going on over here. Don't forget to subscribe, everybody.
Sam's right, guys. We're moving on to building the roads for our mountain track. There we go. And we need to carefully use the cutter once more. We'll make a cut like this. Perfect!
Make sure that this width is slightly less than that of the mountain tunnels that we made earlier today. This one is perfect.
Thanks for the lookout, Sammy. Hup. Now we need a 2-centimeter wide cardboard strip. We'll make little cuts all along this strip to make it more flexible. Just be careful and don't cut it all the way through, like this.
Guys, did you know that various mountain tracks are normally used as part of the so-called rally raid?
Oh, is that when guys on trucks are competing to see who is faster to cross the country on the off-road route? I think I saw that on TV a couple of times. All right.
That's a primitive explanation, but yes, the teams need perfect navigating skills, and their vehicles must have excellent endurance. The most famous rally must be the Dakar Rally.
Well, thanks for the information, Sammy. Guys, give a thumbs up to our rally expert. And check out this cardboard strip. It's made just like the previous one, only it's shorter. We'll glue it to the inside edge of this piece. All right. And one of our mountain roads is finally done. Cool and simple, isn't it?
It looks like it's time for speed decor. Susan, set the timer.
And go!
This will be here, and this one there. Nice idea, Sam. Nope, not good. Gotta start over.
And time! Guys, would you just look at this? Now this piece really looks like a road, right? And I really like how you painted these edges, Sammy. You're an excellent mountain track decorator.
Oh, thank you.
But one piece totally won't be enough for our serpentine. And that is why...
We've made 6 of them! Stay tuned, guys. We're in the final lap.
Awesome! Guys, we're finally at that stage of our craft when we can start assembling our mountain track. So now we'll need our base. Next, we're going to take one of our road pieces and carefully insert it through this opening like this. Keep rotating it gently. There we go.
Try not to damage anything, guys. Let's keep our dangerous mountain track safe enough.
And that's it. Pay attention to the placing of this piece. One of its ends comes out from here and another one from here. Now we need to make this piece steady using some hot glue. Be very careful. Okay, press it a little. Perfect. Now we should do the same with 3 more of these pieces. And another one. And one more. Well, what do you say about this mountain road, Sammy?
I'd say... this is a road to the sky!
Not for long. Remember, we still have these 2 circle pieces left? We'll use a magic cut to divide them like this. Then we'll attach the biggest part of one piece here. Make sure that it is properly connected to the rest of the road, guys. Now the smaller part comes here.
Oh, I know what you need next, Sue. Be right back. There you go! Was I right?
Wow, you're incredible, Sammy! This piece fits perfectly, right guys?
Sammy the Incredible! What a cool nickname for a true magician!
Oh, that's right. Why don't you show us your magic then?
Bibbidi, bobbidi, subscribidi! Aha!
And we'll hide the joints with these triangles that show the direction of our track.
Are you ready, Steersman Sue?
Always ready.
1, 2,
Go!
come on, little car. You can do this.
Oh my, this is so fun!
Susie, just imagine how fun it would be if we built a better and higher modern mountain track.
I think this one was a good start. So, did you like it, guys? If yes, then please give this video a thumbs up and tell your friends about our channel.
Don't miss our new videos, people. See ya.
Bye-bye!